Good morning, dear students. So let us go to the next topic, which is what we call mode. This is the second topic which we are studying regarding the chapter of statistics. We have already studied this mode in our 9th class. I told you there we have studied about ungrouped data. That means discrete data. So at the time, just remember, just recollect what was mode. If some numbers are given, just imagine 4, 5, 6, 7, 3, 3, 9, 2, 7, 1, 4, 3, 2, 2. Like this, some numbers are discreted here. This is given in ungrouped by us. Like that, some numbers are distributed. So at the time, how you will find that mode? You will check out which number is increasing, is repeated the most. That number is regarded as the mode, right? कौन सा नंबर ज्यादा अधिकतर बार उसका ये जो है बार बार जो दिया हुआ नंबर जो होता है, यानी कि अगर एक सीरीज ऑफ नंबर दिया है उसका अंदर फोर करके 4 करके वो जो नंबर जो है बार बार दिया है, मीन्स बहुत ज्यादा बार दिया है, तो हम कहेगा उसका मोड जो है 4 होता है. But here actually in this condition it is not like that, because this is not discrete, it is a continuous function or it is a grouped function. So here there is an equation given to find mode mo, o will be always suffix छोटा सा o होना चाहिए, is equal to L plus f1 minus f0 divided by 2 f1 minus f0 minus f2 into h. I will tell you what is this number. So before this one, you know that the things which are given is as they are continuous, there will be a class interval. So first of all, you have to select the model class. So how to select the model class? Model class is the class having the maximum frequency. You have to check out the tabular column, and within the tabular column which is the highest frequency, वो कौन सा क्लास में पड़ा है, highest frequency जो है कौन सा क्लास में पड़ा है, वो क्लास को हम कहता है model class. That class is what we call model class. Now what is L? It will be the lower limit of that model class. Okay, उसका lower limit. H, width of the class interval. कैसा पता चलेगा width? How will you find the width? Upper limit minus lower limit, that is h. f1, that is the frequency of that model class. So model class दिया है तो model class का frequency जो भी है उसको f1 कहता है. f1 का पहले आता है f0. f0 means frequency of the class preceding the model class. model class का आगे जो आने वाला class जो है उसका frequency f0. तो f2 क्या हो गया, उसका बाद आने वाला. f1 क्या था, model class था, तो f0 means like this, f0, f1, f2. So what is f1? मॉडल क्लास का फ्रीक्वेंसी. तो f0 क्या है, उसका पहले जो आने वाला क्लास का फ्रीक्वेंसी. f2 क्या होगा, उसका आगे जो आने वाला क्लास का फ्रीक्वेंसी. f2 is the frequency of the class succeeding the model class, and by using this formula we can find the mode of the given frequency distribution. Let us do a sum and make this understand more clearly. Here goes the next question before you. Find the mode of the following frequency distribution. Here the question is given, you can see here. So first of all, select the model class. See, 33 is the biggest frequency, so we can say 33. In which class it is coming? In this class it is coming. So we will say the class 4555 has the maximum frequency, therefore this class is called the model class. So the first thing what you have to understand means you have to search the model class. So model class मिल गया. So we have mod mo is equal to, what was the equation? L plus f1 minus f0 divided by 2f1 minus f0 minus f2 multiplied by h. Now let us write one by one. What is L? L was the lower limit of the model class, it is 45. What is f1? f1 is the frequency of the model class, that is 33. Then what is f0? f0 is the frequency of the previous class, it is 31. Then what about f2? f1 का बाद, next one 17. सभी हो गया ना? Yeah, h is the class length. So 35 to 45, 10. यानी कि upper limit minus lower limit, that is 10. So this much you got. Now let us substitute here in this equation, that is equal to L का जगह L का वैल्यू दीजिए 45 plus within the brackets f1 it is 33 minus f0 31 divided by 2 into f1, it is 33 minus f0 again 31 minus f2 17. Okay, this much on the lower part multiplied by what is h, it is 10. Again 45 plus 33 minus 31 is 2 divided by 66 minus 48 है ना, दोनों कुल मिलाकर 48 ही होगा into 10, that is equal to, yeah, 45 plus 2 by, so here 48 and 66, 66 minus 48, how much it is? It's 18, right, into 10. These two you can cancel them together. How much time? 2 ones are 2, 9 twos are, so you can write 45 plus 10 by 9, that is equal to 45 plus, what is 10 divided by 9? Do it here. 10 divided by 9, 9 ones are 9, remainder 1, then again point 0, again 9 ones are 9, again 1, again it will be going like this, so 1.11, that's enough. So we will write 46.11 will be the mode of the given frequency distribution. Clear? Here you can see the another question. In this question it's very clearly given, the mode of the question is given, right? The mode is given, it is 65, and the sum of the frequencies it is given, it is 70. You have to find x and you have to find y. So from this question, first of all, you have to prepare the frequency table like this. For the given question, we prepared the frequency table, we wrote it. Here sigma fi is equal to, just excluding x and y, I added all the other numbers, so I got 54 plus x plus y. X and y are distinct numbers, so I kept it like that itself. And the given thing is, mode is given, it is 65, and sum of the frequency is given 70. So whenever you want to find a mode, I told you, whenever you want to find mode, the main thing is that first of all you have to find the model class. That's a very important thing, है ना, क्योंकि हमारा इक्वेशन जब भी सभी जो होता है वो मॉडल क्लास का हिसाब से ही होगा. सो मॉडल क्लास यू हैव टू फाइंड. तो कैसा पता चलेगा कौन सा मॉडल क्लास है, क्योंकि इसका अंदर एक्स और वाई नहीं दिया था. अगर एक्स और वाई दिया जाता है तो हमको पता चलेगा. अगर एक्स, देखिए इसमें से सबसे बड़ा वाला जो है 12 होता है, 12 इज द बिगर वन. तो 12 से ज्यादा अगर ये दिया, या मान लीजिए 13 है तो ये हो गया मॉडल क्लास. अगर ये 15 दिया है तो ये हो गया मॉडल क्लास. तो इन दोनों का वैल्यू तो दिया नहीं, तो कैसा पता चलेगा कौन सा है मॉडल क्लास? फ्रॉम दिस वन, बिकॉज मोड इटसेल्फ इज गिवन. मॉडल क्लास नहीं, मोड दिया है. तो मोड का वैल्यू कितना? 65. तो 65 कौन सा क्लास का अंदर पड़ा है? ये रहा, ये वाला क्लास का अंदर पड़ा है कि नहीं? 65 जो है 60 80 का ये जो क्लास जो है उसका अंदर पड़ा है ये वैल्यू. सो दिस इज द मॉडल क्लास. सो वी कैन से as the value of mode is 65, 60 to 80, 60 से लेकर 80, 60 to 80 is the मॉडल क्लास. अभी एक एक करके कहिए. मॉडल क्लास मिल गया तो मॉडल क्लास का यल, उसका मॉडल क्लास का लोअर लिमिट क्या होता है? वो 60 होता है. मॉडल क्लास का लेंथ h होता है, कितना है? वो 20 होता है. मॉडल क्लास का फ्रीक्वेंसी को f1 कहता है, मॉडल क्लास का फ्रीक्वेंसी को f1 कहता है, 12 होता है. देन मॉडल क्लास का पहला वाला f0 होता है. सो मॉडल क्लास ये तो 12 था, 12 का आगे x है. देन f2 क्या होगा? उसका बाद, 12 का बाद, यानी कि ये मॉडल क्लास का फ्रीक्वेंसी के बाद आने वाला था, y है. So now you got everything. Now the only thing is that you have to apply the equation. Now what's the equation? We have mod mo. I told you mo जो है o suffix होना चाहिए, एकदम बड़ा वो नहीं होना चाहिए. It should be very small o. Is equal to L plus f1 minus f0 divided by 2f1 minus f0 minus f2, the whole multiplied by h. In some textbook it is given as x and k. So whatever it is given, you can take like that, no problem. So here mode is given, let us substitute the values. That implies, इसका मतलब mode का जगह 65 दे सकता है, is equal to, then L, instead of L I am giving 60 plus f1 का जगह 12 minus f0 का जगह x divided by 2 into f1 12 है, minus f0 is x minus f2 is y, h कितना है 20 है, into 20. So again 60 को इस तरह ले आइए, so क्या हो जाएगा 65 minus 60 is equal to 12 minus x the whole divided by 24 minus x minus y का जगह इधर देखिए 54 प्लस x प्लस y को हम n कहता है, यानी कि फ्रीक्वेंसी का सम. So 54 plus x plus y is equal to sum of the frequency is given 70. So x plus y is equal to 70 minus 54. That means x plus y is equal to 16. So उसका अंदर से y का इक्वेशन क्या निकाल सकता है, y is equal to 16 minus x. So इधर y का जगह 16 minus x तो दे सकता है ना y का जगह, because everything will become in a single variable, so that very fast you can solve into 20. भूलिएगा मत वो लिखने के लिए. 65 minus 60 is 5. 5 is equal to 12 minus x divided by 24 minus x minus 16, माइनस और माइनस प्लस हो जाएगा, प्लस x है ना, into 20. Minus x and plus x will cancel. 5 is equal to 12 minus x divided by into 20 है इधर, 12 minus x और plus x कट हो गया, 24 minus 16 it is 8. So 8 and 20 also we can cancel together in the table of 4. 4 2s are 8, 4 5s are 20. Taking this 5 by 2 to that side, make it here itself. Taking this 5 by 2 to that side, it will become 5 into इधर 5 जो पड़ा है, इधर 5 by 2 इस तरह आते हुए 2 by 5 हो जाएगा, 12 minus x. 5 और 5 कट हो जाएगा. From this one take this x here, x is equal to 12 minus 2, that's equal to 10. x का वैल्यू मिल गया 10. x का वैल्यू 10 है तो y का वैल्यू कितना होगा, ये रहा. Therefore y is equal to 16 minus x, that's equal to 16 minus 10, that's equal to 6. So you got the x value and you got the y value. One more thing I will tell you, there is a hint also here. पहले से बताया था कि ये है उसका मॉडल क्लास, है ना. कैसा पता चला, बताया था मैंने, दिया है मोड 65 है करके, 65 मोड करके दिया है, तो उसका मतलब क्या होता है, ये वाला फ्रीक्वेंसी जो है वो होता है सबसे बड़ा वाला फ्रीक्वेंसी. सो हमेशा याद रखना, जब आपको x वैल्यू और y वैल्यू आपको मिलेगा, वो हमेशा ये 12 से कम ही होगा. इट इज नॉट गोइंग टू बिकम मोर देन दैट नंबर. अगर करते हुए अगर आपको कोई भी कुछ भी एंगल आंसर आ सकता है, इट कैन बी 34, इट कैन बी 33, बट एनी हाउ यू पुट इन योर माइंड, पहले से आपको मन में होना चाहिए ये 12 मॉडल क्लास का फ्रीक्वेंसी है, का मतलब क्या होता है, ये होगा इसमें से सबसे बड़ा वाला वैल्यू. सो इससे कम आएगा x और y. अगर करते हुए आपको 12 से अगर इधर 13 मिल गया, आंसर तो मिल गया, लेकिन सही है कि नहीं कैसा पता चलेगा, इसका अंदर से पता चलेगा. 12 से एक बड़ा वाला 12 से ज्यादा आ गया, इफ यू गॉट द आंसर मोर देन 12, then you can conclude that your answer is wrong. Why? It should be less than 12. So here you can see, you got it. The value of x is less than 12, it is 10. Y is also less than 12, it is 6 itself. That's the way you can confirm that the answer which you got is sure, is perfect. We have to find the median. That's the last thing, median. There's an equation given, median ME is equal to L plus n by 2 minus CF divided by F into H. I will just tell you what are the terms. Here you can see again the equation I am given here. Again you can check it out. So what is L? L is the lower limit of the median class. So regarding model class, I told you have to find the model class. Here I'm telling that you have to find the median class. I will tell you how to find the median class. Okay, so there will be a median class. Normally we have studied in our 9th class. What was median? You have to arrange the numbers in the ascending order, in the descending order, and whatever number comes on the center part, on the middle area, that number is regarded as the median. So here, as it is a continuous function, we have to use some equations to find it out. So here the L is the lower limit of the median class, F will be the frequency of the median class, H is the size of the class, just as we have studied in mode. Another thing is what we call cumulative frequency. That's the thing which we are going to study today, a new term, cumulative frequency. I will tell you what is cumulative frequency. So CF will be the cumulative frequency of the class preceding the median class. So median class का आगे जो आने वाला class जो है उसका CF होता है, उसका cumulative frequency होता है CF. N as normal, you know, it is a summation of Fi. Frequencies का sum को N कहता है. That's all. So that is the thing which you have to find by using median. And very important thing which you ought to know is the relationship between median, mean, and mode. Mode is equal to 3 median minus 2 mean. It is given like this because in some questions you have to find the mode, median, and mean. At the time तीन अलग अलग इक्वेशंस दिया है ना, मोड का इक्वेशन अलग है, मीडियन का इक्वेशन अलग है, मीन का इक्वेशन, तीन तरफ से मीन का इक्वेशन मीन का वैल्यू निकाल सकता है, डायरेक्ट मीन से निकाल सकता है, अज्यूम्ड मीन से निकाल सकता है, स्टेप डिविएशन मेथड से निकाल सकता है. So there is no need to use plenty of equations this one. अगर आपका पास मीन का वैल्यू है, मीन्स मीन का वैल्यू आपने इक्वेशन का हिसाब से वो करके निकाल दिया, मीडियन भी आपने निकाल दिया, ये वाला इक्वेशन डाल के मीडियन भी निकाल दिया, तो मोड का इक्वेशन डालने का जरूरत नहीं है क्योंकि इसका अंदर ऐसा दिया है मोड इज इक्वल टू 3 मीडियन माइनस 2 मीन. तो मीन का वैल्यू पता है और मीडियन का वैल्यू भी पता है, तो इसको अंदर डाल दीजिए, straight you will get the value of mode. There is no need to use that one. So probably this equation is very important. In some 4 mark question they will ask you, and in sometimes they will give you the value of mode or median, and they will ask you what is the mean of that frequency distribution. At the time you can use this equation to find out that for 1 mark questions. Okay, it's so useful. So here in the question, let us see here, we have to find the median of the following frequency distribution. So the given classes we have written in the table format, this thing which you want. Now let us here there will be one more column which is what we call the cumulative frequency column. I will tell you what is cumulative frequency. First one, we will have to copy down the same 6 plus 10, it is 16, 16 plus 12, 28, right? 28 plus 8, 28, adding 8 to this one, 36, 36 plus 8, it's 44. And actually this number, that will be the n itself. If you are adding all this thing together, 8 plus 8 is 16, 16 plus 12, 26, 28, 28 plus 10, 38, 38 plus 6, it is 44, right? So like that, cumulative frequency means, first of all you have to copy the first one. Thereafter, what's the meaning of cumulative frequency? Means from 0 to 30 there are 28 entries altogether. From 0 to 40 there are 36 entries. That means adding all this together it comes to this point. Up to 30 means, for example, if just imagine that this is a this is the marks which has obtained in a class test out of 50. So what is the meaning of this one? 0 से 10 तक 10 marks का अंदर कितना लोगों को मिल गया? 6 students got less than 10 marks, or between 0 and 10. How much of them got between 20 and 30? 12 of them got. And now if somebody is asking how much of them got less than 30, 30 से कम कितना लोगों को मिला था? ये सभी लोगों को 30 से कम ही मिला था. So that is 28 students. That's the meaning of cumulative frequency. How much of them got less than 40? It is 36. Like that. That is the meaning of cumulative frequency. Okay, you got this one, you got n also. Now I told you we have to find, first of all we have to find the median class. So median class निकालने के लिए पहले n जो है n by 2 निकालना है. n by 2. What is n by 2? That is 22. Now listen very carefully how to select the median class. Mode का class कैसा निकालना है मैंने बताया था. So here median class, n/2 पहले निकालिए, n/2 कितना है, 22 मिला है. This 22 search in the cumulative frequency column. Search in the cumulative frequency. 22 से ज्यादा होना चाहिए, means the very next value which comes after 22 where it is in cumulative frequency. Search in the cumulative frequency table so that a number which is just more than n/2. n/2 is 22. 22 से भी ज्यादा 28 है. The next one is 28. So 28 कौन सा क्लास का अंदर आ रहा है, ये वाला क्लास का अंदर आ रहा है. So this will be your median class. So n/2 is equal to 22. Then what we can write? The value of CF which is greater than 22 is 28, and it's in the class, which class, 2030. Therefore median class is 2030. So once you got the median class, you can write each things. We know what is the equation for median. L plus n/2 minus cumulative frequency divided by f into h. What is L? L is the lower limit of the median class. It is 20 here. What is n/2? n/2 n तो दिया है 44, तो उसका आधा 22. Then what is f? F is the frequency of the median class. What is the median class? 2030. 2030 median class है, उसका frequency 12 है. 12. What is h? H is the length of the median class. What is the length of the median class? It is 10. Then what is CF? I told you what is CF. CF is the cumulative frequency which is preceding the median class. Median class तो ये है, इसका आगे आने वाला क्लास तो ये रहा, तो 16 is the cumulative frequency. हमेशा याद रखना, cumulative frequency वो नहीं, it is not that frequency of the median class. It is the frequency, cumulative frequency of the class which is preceding the median class. Median class का आगे जो आने वाला क्लास जो है उसका CF लेना है, तो इधर तो 16 हो गया. now दीजिए एक एक करके. 20 प्लस n/2 तो 22 है, माइनस क्यूमुलेटिव फ्रीक्वेंसी कितना है, 16 है, डिवाइडेड बाई f कितना है, 12 है, इंटू h कितना है, 10 है. 20 प्लस here 22 minus 16 is 6/12 into 10, right? ये दोनों कट हो जाएगा, 2 times 1 times, ये दोनों 5 times. 20 plus 5, 25 is the median. Got it? Here's another question. There are two missing frequencies. You have to find it down. The total sum of frequencies n is given 100. Median is 32. So let us write, given n is equal to 100 and median me it is given 32. खाली m लिखे तो फिर चलेगा, okay? Median is given, it is 32 is given. So first of all let us find the median class. How to find the median class? Median is given. मीडियन दिया है तो ये वैल्यू कौन सा क्लास का अंदर पड़ा है, देखिए 32, ये रहा, 30 और 40 के बीच में है ना 32. सो दिस इज द मीडियन क्लास. सो वी विल राइट एज द मीडियन is 32 and it lies in the class interval 30 to 40, comma median class is equal to 30 to 40. ऐसा मत सोचना 30 minus 40 है, it is not 30 minus 40, it is 30 to 40, 30 से लेकर 40 तक. ओके, यू गॉट द मीडियन क्लास. मीडियन क्लास मिल गया तो क्या क्या, इधर एक और बात, एन निकालिए. एन इज इक्वल टू एड दम 30 प्लस 10 40, 50 60 65 प्लस 10 75 प्लस f1 प्लस f2, है ना. f1 और f2 को अलग कर दिया, बाकी सभी को जोड़ दिया, 75 प्लस f1 प्लस f2 मिल गया. हमेशा याद रखना ये तो 100 दिया है, सच में ये तो 100 भी दिया है. ओके, वी आर कमिंग टू सम अनदर क्लोज दिस वन. ओके, आई विल डू इट हियर. सो 75 plus f1 plus f2 is equal to n. We know it. So 75 plus f1 plus f2 is equal to what is n? n is 100 दिया है. So f1 plus f2 क्या होगा? 100 minus 75, that is 25. So keep this in your mind. f1 f2 is 25. We need it somewhere else. Let us see. Now let us go to the equation. We have median class ME is equal to, what is the formula? Right? L plus n by 2 minus CF divided by F into H. This much is a single part. So here you have to prepare the cumulative frequency. I told you the first one is 10. अगला जो है ये दोनों जोड़ना है 10 plus F1. अभी ये दोनों जोड़ते हुए 10 plus 25 is 35 plus F1. ये दोनों 65 plus F1. इससे जोड़ेगा तो 65 plus F1 plus F2. देन ये दोनों 75 plus F1 plus F2. देखा है ये दोनों हमेशा एक ही होता है. These two will be always the similar thing itself. Okay, you got the cumulative frequency. Now let us write one by one. What is your L? L is the lower limit of the median class. अब median class 30-40 है, उसका lower limit 30 है. उधर का n by 2. n कितना दिया? 100 दिया है, तो 100 का आधा 50. Cumulative frequency CF. CF कितना होता है? CF क्या है? मीडियन क्लास का पहले वाला क्लास. मीडियन क्लास 30-40 था, तो ये होगा 35 plus F1. Then frequency of the median class 30-40 is the median class. उसका frequency 30 है. याद रखना ये तो cumulative frequency, ये तो frequency है. F मिल गया. H is the length of the median class. Length of the median class is 10. Now let us substitute here. Median is really given 32 is equal to L. How much is L? 30 plus bracket के अंदर n by 2 is 50 minus cumulative frequency 35 plus F1. हमेशा याद रखना इतना बड़ा टर्म है इसलिए ब्रैकेट के अंदर देखिए, नहीं तो कभी कभी अगर आपने ब्रैकेट डालने के लिए भूल गया तो क्या हो सकता है, माइनस जो है खाली आप 35 को देगा, सच में ये दोनों को होता है. So that's why put this one like this. Divided by F is 30 into your H. H is 10. 10 का 1 0, a 0 कट हो जाएगा. 30 इस तरह आते हुए 32 minus 30 is equal to 50 minus, I am taking that or removing that bracket, 35 minus F1 divided by 3. Right? Now this one is 32 minus 30 is 2. Then cross multiply करते हैं. 2 into 3 it is 6. 6 is equal to 50 minus 35. It is 15 minus F1. Bring that F1 to this one. Take that 6 to that side. F1 is equal to 15 minus 6. How much it will be? 9. You got 9 as F1. As you got the missing frequency, first one is F1 is 9. Already you know F1 plus F2 is 25. So we can write, we have F1 plus F2 is equal to 25. F1 is 9 plus F2 is equal to 25. F2 is equal to 25 minus 9, and that is equal to 16. So you got the missing frequencies F1 and F2. This is the way how to do. If you have to find the missing frequency and the median is given. So हमेशा याद रखना, median निकालना है या mode निकालना है तो सबसे पहले क्या करना है, उसका क्लास निकालना. मॉडल क्लास कौन सा होता है, मीडियन क्लास कौन सा होता है. That's the thing which you have to select first. How to select a median class? N by 2. N by 2 you have to select this. Let us take it out. See here, N by 2, 50. 50 का half. Right? N by 2 is 50. So 50 से ज्यादा आने वाले क्यूमुलेटिव फ्रीक्वेंसी के अंदर निकालना है, तो वो क्लास जो होता है वो होता है मीडियन क्लास. लेकिन इधर तो क्यूमुलेटिव फ्रीक्वेंसी सीधा नहीं दिया, इसलिए ये सभी इस तरह आया. लेकिन इसका पहले वाला क्वेश्चन जो हमने किया है उसका अंदर वैसा निकालना. मीन्स एवरी टाइम यू हैव टू सेलेक्ट द मीडियन क्लास फर्स्ट. मॉडल क्लास कैसे निकालेगा? सबसे बड़ा वाला फ्रीक्वेंसी निकालिए. वो सबसे बड़ा वाला फ्रीक्वेंसी जो होता है वो वाला क्लास को हम कहता है मॉडल क्लास. सो इफ यू आर डूइंग मीन in the direct method, you will have some columns x, then fi, x means mid x, then fi, then f1 x1, right? If it is in assumed mean method, there will be one more column, di. So fi di will be there, that will be the last column. If it is step deviation method, it will be ui, fi ui will be the last column. By using the equation, you have to find there. So for finding median, there may be plenty of columns. What about mode? There is no need of a single column also. Straight from the question itself, we can sort it down. What about median? Only 3 columns will be there. Third column will be the cumulative frequency, which you have to make by yourself. And from that cumulative frequency, by using the equation of the median, first of all, mark down what all things you have to require. Then from there, copy down one by one. That will be much more easy. Every time, see, plenty of them they used to do like this. When they are making here, they used to take like this, and इधर पूरा का पूरा LCM निकाले करेगा तो एकदम बड़ा वाला आंसर मिल जाए, मीन्स सभी बड़ा बड़ा नंबर्स मिल जाएगा. आंसर तो निकलेगा लेकिन थोड़ा वक्त ले लेगा. You will take plenty of time while solving like that. This is the simplest method, taking this 30 to that side. Taking this 30 to that side. It will make much more simpler. Okay. Every time I tell you, use the simplest method while solving so that you may be also feeling that maths is so simple. Okay. So that's all. That's it. Thank you all.